The federal government delegation had the Minister of Defense Mansour Dan Ali, Minister of Information and Culture Lai Mohammed, Chief of Defense Staff, Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Air Staff and other top military officers. At the State Government House in Maiduguri, the Chief of Staff to the President told the Governor that the federal government is deeply touched by the incident, which he described as unfortunate.
The President deeply regrets this incident and is sure that all Nigerians will join him in condoling the families of those who lost their lives, and that the government of the Federation of Nigeria and the Border Government will do all they can to treat those injured, and the armed forces will take extra care that this kind of disaster does not happen again.
Responding, Governor Kashim Shettima said Borno State is honored by the show of concern by the federal government and the military, their determination to return Borno back to its former state.
We are most grateful to the federal government for the support. And for us in Borno, Adamawa and Yobe, we do not enjoy the luxury. We can't enjoy the luxury of insulting the federal government of President Muhammadu Buhari, because we were facing real existential threats. 3 years ago, Maiduguri was effectively encircled. You can't go beyond Ngom along Maiduguri-Dikwa Road.
At the Shehu of Dikwa's palace, the delegation told the traditional ruler that President Muhammadu Buhari has directed that the military must ensure that they exhibit a high sense of caution during operations. The Shehu of Dikwa, Shehu Mohammed El-Kanami II, expressed appreciation to the federal government, saying their visit has rekindled their hope in the federal government and they will remain indebted. The delegation also visited the office of the United Nations Humanitarian Agency, where they expressed sadness over the incident. The Abba Kyari-led federal government delegation was at the Maiduguri Specialist Hospital, where the injured are being treated. Anthony Forson, NTA News.